there. Hey, it's soft. It's nice. Wow, this is sick. To strap off on that one, eh?
No, not necessarily. But it definitely would have been a little sloppy.
Yeah. To the Summit Quad. Yeah.
my territory, bro. Woo!
How deep that is.
Woo! 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 Fun. Oh yeah. That's a beauty. Cheers. You can't even see, dude. This is how high we are. You can't even see. We're in between the mountains and the freaking clouds. Home of the Rockies, baby. Yeah. Fuck, that guy on the plane was right. That guy on the plane was right. He's like, go to Panorama.
Everybody's told me to come here.
Yeah.
That's been here.
How come, like, I was thinking of, on all the recommendations, everybody,
This is the most underrated place in the whole fucking BC.
underrated. Probably because they push marketing on this place so well. They do well already.
Oh, this gas. Fuck, imagine living up here doing this every morning. Keep you young, man.
The Outback Ridge is the one that meanders around. Careful, people.
We gotta take a look over this.
The one that's at the outer limit.
Yeah, I gotta get some footage down here. Keep my board with me in case I sink. Guys, this is the backcountry. This is backcountry, boys. Holy. This is backcountry, man. It's that way. I'm just getting some footage here. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Look how fresh this pow is, man. Little yellow spot there. Well, we can't go down anything if we're trying to get on the cat.
Yeah, the cat's right here, guys. Look, this is Kanaka right here.
Yeah.
We just gotta go here.
Yeah, we gotta traverse.
Let's
Fight
do it.
the
It's snowing right now, guys. We're going right to this camp.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it's the only run I do today, you know?
Satisfied.
This is the Outback Ridge, bro. This is Outback. I've never seen anything like this, man.
Strapping in.
I've never seen anything like that. Never.
Imagine on a clear day.
Oh, man.
But, having said that,
Boy, fuck the clear day. Look how fresh this powder. It's the perfect amount of fresh snow for me. It's just the perfect amount of fresh snow. Too much and I'll sink. You know what I mean? Fucking awesome. Cool. Good call, buddy.
Shit, I'm not leaving BC without doing something.
Hey? That Kodiak bar call last night was skis, but this call was mint. I was walking around that bar, get me the fuck out of here. Woo! Fuck, I hate climbing though. going straight. Yeah. Monster, yeah. We made it. He's coming.
Wild things just got wilder.
I got our tickets.
Nah, probably won't wait one.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I am. Monster your fears. Face your fears.
Let's load up the cat.
Thought I was gonna say face your fears, but it's face your fears.
I'm like aim the sport, right?
And then we're gonna make the first one.
Yep. 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 You believe we're going even higher? Yeah. In front of the cat? Yeah, let's take- Fuck. My camel's freezing, eh? So much for putting it on the outside. Should have left it on the inside.
Warm down there, man.
Yeah. They're not gonna fit us, eh?
No, we're already messed up.
That's okay. Nah.
Don't worry.
Well, how long is it gonna take? Is it gonna be a half hour or is it gonna be 10, 15 minutes?
It should be 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We'll hang out.
You find room, let us know.
But I wouldn't mind just sitting down and staring at this backcountry for 15 minutes, man. I never get to see that shit. Just stare at that backcountry, man. I could just sit there and be in the moment, you know what I mean? Get it on camera.
Enjoy it, dude.
Yeah,
All empty.
yeah.
You're 7,700 feet up in the
Yeah,
air.
man.
Hey, look. We've been here for 2 days doing this.
Yeah.
I'm not even like short of breath anymore.
No,
Nice breath.
except for that hike.
Which wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. This is awesome. Alright, I'm going to stare at the backcountry. I'll be right here. Maybe I should 4K this one, eh? Should I 4K the run or should I do a 4K right here?